Hello, good evening everyone. Today we are here about to learn the tenses, and you know the tenses are divided into three parts. That was the present tense, past tense and future tense. And you know this three type of tense what we call in Hindi? Wait, I will tell you. Present tense we call Vartaman Kal, past tense we will call Bhutkal, and future tense we will call Bhavish Kal. And today we are studying about the present tense, and you know the present tense also divided into four parts. Isn't that amazing thing? And the name of that are simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense and present perfect continuous tense. So today we are studying about the simple present tense. In the simple present tense we learn about what was that structure, the 10 sentences of simple sentences, 10 of the negative, 10 of the question form and 10 of the question negative sentence. So let's start. Firstly, we know that what was the structure, and the structure is subject plus verb first form plus es plus other word or object. And the first sentence is I write a letter, I play a football, I bake a cake, I call a van, I ask a question to the teacher, I eat apple, I get a pen, I cook a food, I answer the question, we draw a painting. So let's make the negative. But wait, we doesn't have any helping verb here. So how we can make the negative? So let's use the do as the helping verb. So our sentence is just like that. I do not write a letter, I do not play a football, I do not bake a cake, I do not call the van for you, I do not ask any question to the teacher. That we never like to ask the question to the teacher. I do not eat the apple in the morning, I do not get the pen, I do not cook the food for you, I do not answer the question to the teacher, we do not draw a painting for the competition. So let's make the question form, and here we also use the do. I will tell you how. Firstly, we in two type of sentences we are using I, but in the question form you have to use do, just like this. Do I write a letter? Do I play the football? Do I bake a cake for you? Do I call the van? Do I ask a question to the teacher? Do I eat apple in the morning? Do I get a pen? Do I cook a food for you? Do I answer a question? Do we draw a painting? And one more thing here, that after finishing the sentence you always have to put the question mark, and it is the compulsory. If you doesn't put question mark, your marks has been deducted. So let's make the question in question negative sentences. Here all are same, but here we only use the not. I will tell you how. I do not write a letter, I do not play, do I not write a letter? Do I not play a football? Do I not bake a cake for you? Do I not call the van for you? Do I not ask the question to the teacher? Do I not eat the apple in the morning when mama is saying me? Do I not get a pen from you? Do I not cook a food for you? Do I not answer a question? Do we not draw a painting for the competition? So here our today's lesson is finished, because we learned how was the structure we have to make, the simple sentences, the negative sentences, the question form sentences and the question form negative. So let's revise again the structure. So what was the structure? The structure is subject plus verb first form plus es plus other words or plus object. And if you don't want to write the full spelling of subject or other word, or you can write just like this: s plus vi plus es plus ow. S stand for subject, vi stand for verb first form, es is es only, and the ow stand for other words. So if you like this, so press a like button. Bye bye. I hope you enjoy the chapter.